Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Freeway crypto trading platform on your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to internet and head over to your preferred web browser. After you are on your browser, tap on the search bar and type in Freeway crypto login and search for it. In the search results, look for the link of freewaymart.net. Over here, you can see the second option, Freeway Crypto Exchange Platform. Tap on this link. Now you will be taken to the official website of Freeway Crypto Login. Once you are here, you can see the login option. Tap on it. So this is the login page of Freeway Crypto. If you already have created your account before, you can use your username or your email address. You can use your registered email address or your username over here. You'll be logged into your Freeway crypto trading platform. So that's it. That's how you can log into Freeway Crypto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.